Zhonghe leads the way in special attachments and working devices for Chinese construction machinery, delivering exceptional quality and service, scaling global highs, and showcasing the brilliance of Made in China. Zhonghe Machinery is dedicated to manufacturing the world's finest excavator, long ridge boom, 3-section telescopic arm, 2-section telescopic arm, sliding arm, pile driving arm, 3-section demolition arm, tunnel arm, grapple, bucket, and other attachments. We have established a presence in global markets, built dedicated marketing teams, and creating a global Zhonghe brand as a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales. We deliver premium products, services, and complete solutions to users across the globe. Innovation fuels dreams, quality shapes the future. Zhonghe Machinery has made significant investments in advanced equipment, including floor-standing double-sided boring machine lathes, CNC machining center, automatic welding robot, plasma cutting, sandblasting workshop, mechanical beveling machine with top-tier designers, R&D experts, and skilled industrial workers. We deliver tailored designs, services, and solutions for diverse working conditions, focusing on customer satisfaction and product performance. Zhonghe Machinery invests 5% of its sales revenue in research and development every year, boasting over 50 product patents and earning widespread recognition from both industry experts and customers. From imitation to innovation, Zhonghe Machinery has relentlessly pursued technological and product leadership, boldly conquering new heights and driving industry advancement. Double-sided boring machines ensure machining precision of no less than 0.05 mm after full welding. Sandblasting workshops effectively release welding strength and enhance paint adhesion. Skilled industrial workers guarantee welding seams pass ultrasonic testing on the first attempt. All products undergo rigorous testing and comply with the ISO 9001 Quality Management Certification System. Leveraging outstanding innovation, we continuously refine our products based on field feedback and have launched long-lasting solutions, including 3-section telescopic arms, 2-section telescopic arms, sliding arms, excavator grapple. Zhonghe Machinery excels in complex scenarios such as buckets, port loading and unloading, subway construction, river dredging, river diversion, tunnel construction, and forestry, delivering exceptional performance and stability. Zhonghe Machinery is committed to collaborating with customers and partners to build a brighter future.